Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard rabdi. This delightful Indian dessert combines the traditional richness of rabdi with the smooth, creamy texture of custard. It's a fantastic treat for any occasion, surprisingly simple to prepare, and always a crowd pleaser. Get ready to create a truly indulgent dessert that everyone will love. The foundation of great rabdi is a perfectly reduced milk base. Start with full-fat milk in a heavy-bottomed pan to prevent scorching. Bring it to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer. As the milk reduces, continuously scrape the creamy malai from the sides and stir it back in. This process builds that signature rich texture. Now it's time to introduce the custard and flavors. First, dissolve 2 tablespoons of custard powder in a small amount of cold milk to avoid lumps. Gradually pour this mixture into your simmering rabdi, stirring continuously until it thickens slightly. Finally, sweeten it with about 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder for that authentic taste. Once your custard rabdi is cooked, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down completely to room temperature. Then transfer it to a serving bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Chilling enhances its flavor and texture. Before serving, garnish with your favorite chopped nuts like pistachios or almonds. For other great deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade delicious custard rabdi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.